In this video I'm going to show you how to set custom currency in Google Sheets. So what we have here, we have a column with monthly salaries and we would like to set a custom currency for this column. So what we can do now is select all the digits, all the cells with data in it, and then go to Format. Now, once you are there, then you will scroll down to the number option, and here you will have the custom currency option all the way down in this menu. Select the custom currency option, and after that you can select the preferred custom currency. So what we will do, we will select US dollar for this one, and after that you are able to change this custom currency format to your own preferences. For example, you can set the US sign in front of the numbers or the USD sign, or just keep it regular like this one. So we will change it to USD, for example, and select it, then apply it, and now you have successfully set a custom currency in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.